Did you see a green light right here?
I turned the camera on, so I got what I did.
Oh my god! Shut it off!
I just
shut it. So you drove my car. You drove. There's a meth light when you hit it right there. It goes green. You didn't pay. So he
was watching the road.
Yeah, I don't want to go too crazy though.
Huh?
I didn't go too crazy.
How'd it feel?
No, I did it.
What the fuck is this shit? Why are you racing my car? I didn't tell you to fucking. You fucking.
He's dead nuts though. Don't give me the keys.
Oh, that's it. That was against the M3.
Dead nuts. It looks like you lost.
Okay, so now tell the truth. What's the truth? What happened?
I don't know.
You don't know. I said don't get on my car.
Bro, I got sandals.
I said follow us.
No, you said don't go too crazy.
All right. I need to be a little.
That wasn't crazy.